Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to try and make this intro as short as possible. But basically, we have 100 variety packs. We have a crud ton of pro packs, a bunch of all pro packs, a lot of 80 pluses, and like 20 85 pluses. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I'm going to go and open one row at a time. We have 100 packs. And as you guys know, if you watched my recent video, packs are insane now. So we should be getting 88s, 89s, all that. So we pull 81 just out of the... Oh my gosh! No way, we just pulled an 88 out of a pro pack. No way. No way. We just pulled an 88. Dude, the coins we're about to make on these is going to be insane. Usually, I hesitate to make pro pack videos, like pack openings like this, but dude, these are insane. Madden Maynor 86 Ryan Jensen. So I've already made like 300k off of this. I've already made 300k off of these 6 pro packs. I'm gonna go to open 7. 83 Joe Antonio. Every pack I get in late, I'm making coins. 83. If I get an 83, even if I get an 82, I'm making coins. 83s are selling for 70k right now. 83s are going for the same exact price as Philip Rivers. So every 83 you guys get, sell it for 70k because it'll sell pretty quick. 80. So like every 83 I get is basically a free 7 of these pro packs. I've already pulled an 88. These things are insane. Okay, I haven't pulled an elite in 3 packs. Guys, make sure you leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. 85 back-to-back elite. 2 elites in 1 pack. This is amazing. I love this. So we have a bunch of 85 pluses, and then we have a bunch of 80 pluses, and we have a bunch of all pro packs. So we got an 82 Juju. 82 Darius Williams. So basically anything above an 82 is good. Anything above an 82 you want. Okay, so these are 80 pluses. We get an 81 Team of the Week. 81 DJ Moore. 80 Mink. These are awful. Should be an 83 plus. 81 Ogard, James Carpenter. They also added new promos. 88 Jimmy Graham. Out of an 80 plus pack. We just put an 88 Jimmy Graham. Wait, maybe that was an 85 plus. I think that was 80 though. We'll see right here. Okay, yeah, that was an 80. We put an 88 out of an 80 plus. 83 Jarvis Landry. So anything above an 83. 81 Rex Burkhead. 83 Zeke. 82 West. So any second now, any pack now, as I should say. I'll be getting to the 85s. There's 83. I think I got like 15 85s. I also got a bunch of all pro packs. 84 middle linebacker. That's a nice card. That's a nice card. Dude, the market's going to drop. In the next 24 hours, the market's going to drop crazy. Like Philip Rivers, 87 Philip Rivers are now selling for 70k 24 hours after they dropped on the live event. 81 Fred Warner. So, like, if I put an 83, that'll be the same exact thing as an 87 Philip Rivers. 80 Melvin Gordon. When am I going to be in the 85s? 82 Aaron. 80. And 82, okay. 81 Shaq Thompson. 82. Yo, give us some fire. Oh, ho, ho, ho. As I said, give us some fire. Hold on. After these 2, I'm going to look at how much that is going for. 86. Wait, I think I'm on to my 85s. Yeah, I'm on to my 85s. So far, we haven't put an 85 yet. We put an 88, 86, and an 86. 85. All right, there we go. So I'm going to see. Imagine those weren't my 85s. How much this is going for? Nah, it's not going for a lot. Only like 150. But still, it's coins. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select the rest. We have 50 more. We're halfway done. 85 Michael. Come on. Give us some 90s. 88 Bo Jackson linebacker. Yo, Journey out of position edition with the size and stature. Bo Jackson had the physical tools of imposing at linebacker. That is a nice card. 85 Devontae Freeman. 86 Roquan Smith. So we're pulling 88s out of, there's 80. Imagine those all were 80 pluses. Okay. Now we're back on to 80 pluses. And then after all the all pro packs, we have exactly 10 85 pluses. So come on. Give us an 85 plus. Oh yeah, 83. I'll take an 83. That's 70K right there. Forrest Buckner. Oh, I just got an 86. I didn't even see it. If I pulled a 90, I'll probably skip right past it. Alright, I got an 86. 81. 80. 28. You've already given me complete fire today. Just give me more. 80. 84 Russ. Let's go. I'm about to be on my all-pro backs. Any second. I think I have around 20 all-pro packs. 87 TJ Watt. Let's go. 87 Miles Jack. Yo, are these out of the 80s? Oh, we just got a 90. We just got a 90. I didn't even know that was possible. We just got a 90. No, I didn't mean to open all. I did not mean to open all. Oops. Okay, so he just opened the rest of my packs. I meant to do save later. We just pulled a 90 overall. Okay, look at all the leads we've gone. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got all these 80s. Bunch of 80s. We got an 81, 5, 10. We got 10 81s. We got 5 82s, 6 83s, 6 84s, 6 85s, 3 86s, 2 87s, and then 6 88s and 1 90 overall. We were 10 short from. Oh, oops. Nice, bro. Thank you. I want to see how much this Tracy going for. 1,000,000 coins. I'm just going to post that for 500K. Dude. That is a nice pull. Out of the 85 plus. So, I'm going to prove to you guys that 83s and 84s, 83 pluses are going for 70K. Boom, look at that. 75, 56. All fill-ups are getting like 66K. So, some of them for about 60K. 62, 500. So, all 83s and 84s. Where are they at? So, all these. So, that's like 1,000,000 coins right there. Oh, oops. And it's like 1,000,000 coins just from all these 80s. And 85s are going crazy. We got 4 flashbacks. 2 season 2s. 4 of these. 2 TJ Watts. 2 Jensens. Dante Hall. Micah Hyde. Leonard Fournette. We got I want to see how much this Bud Jackson is going for. This card's probably going for a lot. Yeah, look at that. 408K. We'll go 325. So that was a 100 pack opening variety. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot. Make sure to leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Peace out.